Hello, hello, hello. It's Dwann Holmes here in Jacksonville, Florida. Want to talk to you a little bit about our done for you prayer journals. I'm so excited to talk to you about that. We've got lots of excitement in the air regarding these prayer journals. So I decided to come on and just answer some of the questions that are coming forth on a regular basis. Done for you literally means done for you. No, it's not too good to be true. What I know is there are many of you leaders, whether you're apostles, pastors, fivefold ministry leaders, or you're a leader of an organization, you are almost done with your prayer journal, or you've been waiting to try to put it all together, but something has happened that has not allowed you to do so. So we are here to help you. We have literally put tons together with different categories, whether that's one for marriage, men, women, children, family. We're getting more and more ideas every single day. If you want to choose one of our topics, you can do that. 90% of the work is already done. All you have to do is tell us if you want to customize it up front. If you want us to put your logo on it, you can do that. And voila, it'll be done. We can have it done in 7 days. And then there are some of you who already have yours already completed. You just need it laid out in the professional way so that you can go ahead and print it. That's good as well. We can easily do that for you for the same cost. It's still going to be that $400. This is a special we're running right now through the holiday season because we want to help you get published. We want to help you get your prayer journal out. And so what I'm going to do now is share so that you can see what it looks like just in case you haven't been able to do so. So let me do this right now. There it is. Your custom prayer journal awaits. You can either click here to say I'm ready to go. Once you click here, it's going to go to the website or the sales page that shows the different categories that are available. It shows you also that's our December to Remember done for you prayer journal custom template delivered within 7 days. It's our December to Remember special. Oh my goodness, I think we're going to be done with the special by the 15th. All right. Done for you prayer journals. Again, there's the categories that we have so far. We will have you click here so you could see a sample of what it looks like. There it is. Voila. That's it. Um, now, it has everything ready to go, but if you want to customize it with one of your favorite scriptures or a theme, or you have it ready to go, that's good as well. There it is. All right. And we just go down to the bottom and it shows you the different categories and you pick one. And then we also have the done for you to pay investment for just $229 now and then $229 in 30 days. And if you're doing the coupon code, you just type in JOURNAL and hit apply and voila. You'll see it's now $350. Hopefully that makes sense to you and you are ready to go. But again, it's as simple as we have them already done. We're ready for you, waiting on you, and we literally can get it to you within 7 days. We've been able to do some in as many as like 2 to 3 days if you're just really ready to go. All right, I think that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at wecare@globalpropheticinstitute.com or whatever page you're seeing this on. Feel free to inbox me. Again, I am very excited that we are able to offer you done for you prayer journals in different topics for just $400, and you can use the coupon code journal JOURNAL to get it for $350 right now. All right, God bless.